Okay, if you've not watched video one or video two, you need to go and do that now. Otherwise, you're really not going to know what I'm talking about. So, what I want to do in this video is talk very quickly about something called styles. Now, styles are what we use in InDesign so that we don't have to do the same thing over and over and over again. So, let's get to it. You can see that the page is slightly different from video two because what I've done is separated the title, a subtitle, which is the ingredients, and some text there. So we've actually got four different styles of text: the title, subtitle, we've got the ingredients, and we've got the basic text, the method, if you like, how to cook. So we'll take our title and make a style. What that means is the next time I want to do a title, I won't have to go through all the font, size, center. It will just do it automatically for me. Now, to make a style is really easy. Just make the text look exactly like you want. Choose the font, choose the size, choose the color of the font, choose whether it's in the center or the left, and then click on the black arrow. Click on the text box. So in this case, we've got the title selected. I'm going to go to the properties window. You know, guys, it's really important to have that properties window open. I'm going to go down to where it says text style, and I'm going to make sure it says paragraph style. I'm going to go down to where it says plus, and you can see that it's made a brand new style and it's asking me to give it a name. I'm going to call it heading because that's what it is. Let's press enter. And now what we have is a new style called heading. Let's go to our ingredients. I'm not quite happy with this, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And what else do we want to do to it? No, we'll just make it bigger like that. So it's at size 17. Click on the black arrow. Click again there. I'm going to click the plus sign, and we're going to call this a sub heading. That means it's not the top heading, but it's the heading underneath the bigger heading, a subheading. This one over here, this text box, I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to click on the plus sign and call this ingredients. And this box over here, I'm going to click on the plus sign and just call it method. And that's all. Press enter. So what we have now is four different styles for our page. So I'm going to now show you what it's going to look like if we started this recipe again. I won't delete everything, but I'll just delete that. Let's put in a text box like we did last time, from the margin to the center there, like this. We're going to type in our name of the recipe, click on the black arrow, and now I don't have to do anything other than go to the style, click on the one that says heading, and it will automatically make it look amazing. Click on a text box, go from that side to there, type in the word ingredients, click on my styles, go to subheading. Remember, it was called subheading. There you go, it's bigger. And lastly, let's make a text box like that. And of course, we need to have our ingredients. I'll only write a few here like this. Click on the black arrow, go down, and where it says ingredients, click on there. You can see that's there. It won't remember that it was columns, so it's just a simple case of you going down and making sure the columns are there. That doesn't take too much work. And we're about there. And that's how to make our life really, really easy. Because if we're making more than one recipe, more than one page, you don't want to keep going back and having to change your font. It's better to have a bunch of styles so that you can just put a text box on the screen, click your style, and then it will take care of everything for you. So, guys, with those three videos that you should have watched, you should be able to make absolutely brilliant cookbook pages and make the whole project look like it was made by a professional rather than some MYP1 students at our school. Good luck, and I can't wait to see the finished product.